Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had great fun during the festivities. आज के व्लॉग की शुरुआत हम करने वाले हैं तिब्लिसी सेंट्रल रेलवे स्टेशन से, क्योंकि हम जाने वाले हैं बाटूमी। टिकट्स हमने प्री बुक कर लिया था फ्रॉम द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ऑफ जॉर्जियन रेलवेज एंड नाउ इट वाज टाइम टू बोर्ड द ट्रेन फ्रॉम प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 1. The travel time to Batumi is 5 hours 20 minutes and it costed us around 2100 Indian rupees for 2 people. Now I was really excited to visit Batumi and also to experience this beauty, which is a Swiss imported Stradler train and also the most comfortable and the fastest train in Georgian Railways. This is a double-decker train that operates daily from Tbilisi to Batumi and back to Tbilisi and comes with both first class and second class carriage, with a seat in first class being 75 lari and one in the second class being 35 lari. You also get free Wi-Fi and a vending machine on board, plus overhead space for your smaller luggages. As you can see, there is enough space available for legroom, so you can have a comfortable journey. You can just pay 1 lari extra for manual seat selection जब भी आप अपनी tickets book कर रहे हो. We prefer to take the last row, which did not have any seating facing us, just for some added comfort and privacy. It was overall a very comfortable journey and बाटूमी हम लोग टाइम पे पहुंच गए थे. So here's a tip, अगर आप बाटूमी आ रहे हैं प्लीज़ इंस्टॉल Yandex, क्योंकि हम बोल्ट उतनी ज़्यादा नहीं चलती है and you can end up wasting a lot of time just trying to book a cab. This is the pretty railway station of Batumi with the Black Sea right opposite, so you have great views from here as well. हमारी कैब यहाँ finally book हो चुकी थी and we were just waiting for the driver to arrive so we can go to our Airbnb. डिस्क्रिप्शन से आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि वी आर हेडिंग टू ऑर्बी सिटी. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द व्यू इज़ राइट आउटसाइड द प्लेस. हम यहाँ 2 दिन रहने वाले हैं एंड देन वी आर गोना मूव टू अ डिफरेंट प्लेस मोर सेंट्रल. बट या दिस इज़ रियली डिफरेंट. द वाइब ऑफ दिस प्लेस इज़ सो डिफरेंट फ्रॉम तिब्लिसी एंड दिस इज़ मोर मॉडर्न सोफिस्टिकेटेड. सो वी वर रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू अ स्टे हियर. क्योंकि जुलाई एंड अगस्त आर द पीक सीजन फॉर टूरिज्म इन बाटूमी, इट वाज रियली क्राउडेड एंड बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक जाम भी लगा हुआ था. एंड फाइनली आफ्टर एन आवर वी हैव रीच्ड द अपार्टमेंट एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स फ्रॉम द एंट्रेंस. एंटर करते साथ ही आपको राइट साइड पे एक बड़ी सी वार्डरोब मिल जाएगी विद मिरर फिटेड ऑन बोथ साइड्स ऑफ इट. इट हैज़ सफिशिएंट स्पेस टू स्टोर ऑल योर लगेजेस. Here's me all tanned and tired. Right opposite to it is the washroom. It's a decent sized washroom with washing machine provisioned. You have the toiletries, hair dryer, bathroom slippers and also a separate shower area, which I really like. Just outside the washroom space is the small kitchenette. Although it's not really too big, but इसमें आपको सारी चीज़ें दी गई हैं जो कि आपको एक शॉर्ट स्टे के लिए चाहिए होगा. Of course, you can also use the tap water here if you prefer. At least our host say that it's drinkable. Right next to the kitchen you have the refrigerator and also a safe locker, and then comes the bedroom area, which is decent sized again, and I really like the concept of having this mirror right behind the headboard of the bed. It also comes with a double seater sofa, so you can sit here and take in the views from this beautiful balcony. Let me show you this place. I mean, you can see the Black Sea and enjoy the sunset right from the comfort of your balcony. I mean, what more can you ask for? One and the only reason to book this particular apartment was this particular view from here, and let me add some shots here from the sunset time so you can see it for yourself how beautiful this place turns out to be. So after enjoying the sunset and taking some rest, we head out to explore the nearby places, and I quickly realized why Batumi is also called the Las Vegas of Georgia, and that's because of its vibe, you guys. The massive casinos, the luxury, the supercars, all of it is just amazing and a different level altogether. So if you're ever coming to Georgia, do not miss visiting Batumi. So it was already a long day for us and we were really exhausted by all the traveling, so we did not get to hit the beach. But it was my husband's birthday, so we got a cake, had a low-key celebration, but then head straight to bed. So with that, I'll wrap up today's vlog. If you found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up and also leave in your comments if you have any questions regarding Batumi. I would be happy to help. With that, take good care of yourself. See you soon. Bye bye.